As soon as a player doesn't play fantastically well, he's criticized. And the first, we all know that. But I'm very happy with Arshavin. I personally believe he's a great player. He's going for a period where he's a bit less, more difficult at the moment. But he works very hard in training. His attitude is fantastic, and I'm desperate to keep him. Well, he played always. He played every single game since the start of the season. He has played for his national team. He is a bit physically, maybe a little bit less fresh. And after breeze off a few games, he will come back stronger than ever because he works very hard in training. He is. As far as I know, I believe he and his wife are happy in London. But what is really important as well, I'm very happy with him. You underestimate usually at the press. You think we are all arrogant, overconfident people. We are people who, when you do not have success for a while as a team, the doubt creeps in quickly, and it is about belief. Kenny Dalglish is 57 years old, has spent his life in football. If he speaks about that, it is really the truth. We are on a good run, but when you're on a bad run, in the Premiership we are on a good run. We feel we believe in our strengths, but that's why it's very important always to respond quickly to disappointment. I have sympathy for every single manager who has problems. That's why I have sympathy for me as well. I don't know, frankly, I don't know the situation at West Ham. Is it as it is written in the press? I don't know. So I do not want to interfere in that, especially a day before the game. What is important for us is that we go to West Ham and expect West Ham to be up for it and us to be prepared mentally. So I don't know if there's any other problems inside the club. Well, you know the Premiership games. It's a Premiership game. It's a derby. You know the Premiership this season. It's very tight in every single game. So we expect us to be completely produce a top-level performance to win the game. That's what we want to achieve. I made Thierry start his professional career at the age of 17, so I don't need to have him back here to know what are his strengths, his many strengths. But of course, it's good to have him back. We are always happy to have him back because still he has the quality to play at the top level. And I think he enjoys it, and the players who played with him enjoy to have him with us because he's an Arsenal man. So that was a good experience for him and for us. From speaking with him, from getting advice, of course, because in front of goal, Thierry was somebody who was very sharp, and so he can give you good advice because he analyzed the defenders very well. He knew the weakness of every defender in the back four after 10 minutes in every game.